Hey, this is what the inside of my Smart 3 looks like. I had to open it up because I was moving my box around and we had to move the amp, and heard something inside of it, and I found this inside of it. I had to open it up to get that out. I'm not messing with anything. I was just getting that out, but since I got it open, I might as well show you guys. Looks pretty good to me. All the MOSFETs look good. None of them look burnt. So that's good news. But yeah, 160 volt caps, 2 of them. Nice. But it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? 2 fans in there. Got some little caps. 4,700 microfarad. Small caps. The big caps are 2,200 microfarads. 160 volt epicos. The other ones are key 2 or something like that. But yeah, 2 filters. Anyway, just showing you guys. I'm going to be moving my box around and trying it a different way tonight. Almost ran out of time. Been busy working. I'll close this thing back up.